Do you remember the lettuce was here up here and it was seeding? But when I notice inside here, I notice some little thing growing up and I'm saying to myself, what made it so inside here so? The lettuce seed fall from the tree and drop inside the pan here and catch and started to grow. The mango crop is very, very, very near. This is where I put my ginger to sprout. Thick mint, something like that. Call this one pot basil, something like that. Stick around.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to our next video. Yeah, at this time, at home. As you can see, I have some root of corn here. These are the same corn that I plant in Val plantation, but as you can see, those corn in Val plantation don't come to anything. Them still small, and I plant these corn after a week after I plant those in Val plantation. And as you can see, my viewers, these corn are very tall. This root is the tallest root here. It's about 7 feet in the air, taller than me. All right, yeah, I have one here about 5 feet tall. Yeah, don't start put out corn as yet. I have 3 other root of corn over here. Yeah, but I don't know why in Val plantation them don't really come to perfection. Yeah, but here, you know. So I'm going to go inside, my viewers, and show you that I have tomato. Yeah, I have tomato inside here. And I have pepper inside here. I have pepper inside here. Yeah. I have pepper inside here, my viewers. Yeah. And I have chocho and tree here also. I can pick chocho also. Yeah. And I have tomato. I have tomato. I have tomato here. As you can see, yes, I have tomato here. So it's good to plant. Yeah. And as you can see, my okra tree, my okra plant here. Let me show you something. What is that? That is a okra, don't it? Yeah, man, that is a okra there. You know what I mean? Yeah. I have a lime plant. I'll show you this lime plant lately. This is a piece of lime branch. I cut around it and tie some dirt on it and the lime tree. So when I check back, it is growing root. So I cut it off and plant it inside here. And as you can see, there are some small sucker started to put out right here. Come, camera, focus. Focus. Yeah. Start to put out some new leaves. So you don't know. It's going to catch. Yeah. Yeah, man, we just get a little rain a while ago. As you can see, we get a little rain a while ago. Yeah, man, get a little rain. This is what the plant them need, you know. The rainfall. Yeah, this is miracle to the plant them, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, rainfall. Alright? Rainfall. Yeah. Alright, this is the plant and sucker that we did plant, and I cut it off halfway for it to spring back. If you notice, it put up a big sprout. Yeah. This is what happens when you plant it and then cut it off. You know, after you plant it, you cut off the top of the chunk. Yeah. and leave it to spring back. This is what happened. Yeah, I have a root of cane nearby this root of plant and also. Alright. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers at home, I have a little thing here going. Alright, magnificently I'm gonna show you my lettuce. My lettuce seed. You remember I did have a lettuce that I make grow until it started to seed. I'm going to show you what's going on with it. Alright, stick around. Alright, my viewers, I'm back in my TV back here. Alright, do you remember the lettuce was here up here and it was seeding? Alright. You know, I cut off the branch where the seed was. Because I guess, yes, it is time for me to cut them off, make them dry. But when I notice inside here, I notice some little thing growing up. And I'm saying to myself, what made it so inside here, so? But, to behold, the lettuce seed fall from the tree and drop inside the pan here and catch and started to grow. So as you can see, my viewers, lettuce is inside here. There's a lot of lettuce sucker inside here. We have some pepper sucker inside here now that we plant inside here, but I never plant any lettuce sucker. The seed from the plant what was inside here was seeding, drop inside here and catch. Magnificent. This is miracle. You know what I mean? This is miracle. So I have to give them some time for them to grow up and then before I can transplant them. Yeah, but trust me, I never know that it was lettuce. Yeah, I see this little thing growing up and I was saying to myself, what is this? I'm frightened to behold, it is lettuce. Yeah? So right about now it's all about, I have to make a next little space. Yeah, as you can see. Right here did back up and thing, but I have to make a next little space here. Yeah, as you can see. Right here. I fall this dry hockey tree. Yeah, to get it out of the way. But here, as you can see, I have some whole fridge here. Yeah. These whole fridge are the bad at the line. So I put them at the line where I'm gonna fence. So when I jam the post, I'm gonna fence the top of the fridge here. Yeah. To back out the animals. Alright? Yeah, so full these with dirt, you know, and to plant something in. Yeah, I need the next one to go right here to fill out that space. Yeah, so yeah, man. Yeah, all right. Over here, there is a next one over here. Yeah, there's a next one over here. So I'm gonna fill them with dirt, but the dirt what I'm going to use, I'm going to get the sawdust, the goat doodoo, and mix them together with the dirt. You understand? Before I plant. Yeah? Alright. Nice banana here. Ladies and gentlemen, nice banana here shooting. Ah, beautiful, don't it? Yeah, man. Just shoot. Yeah? Going to have a banana there very soon. So yes, my viewers, I'm gonna fix up that fridge there. This one here. This one here. Yeah, right around. Fence it around. Inside here now. Clean it out. Have it to plant more things. So yes, this little space. This little area. Yeah, I'm gonna use it up, but something about my nose. So I smell like pudding the bake. Yeah, man. It smell like pudding a bake, my viewers. It look like pudding a bake over here. I have to go shout and make nice. Yeah, man. It smell like a toto. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, make a next little space there, so plant some more things. Yeah. It's all about when you're there home, before you go into the kitchen, you can cut something, you know, and put in the pot. So yes, my viewers, soon have to find some space to transplant all these things here. I have some turmeric, half piece of turmeric inside here and a piece of ginger. I don't see it start to grow yet, but they will started to sprout. And I have some more ginger inside, put to sprout. Yeah, so I'm gonna check now to show you if them started to sprout yet before planting them. Alright, stick around. Yeah, as you can see, the mango crop is very near. Yeah man, the mango crop is very, very, very near, my favorite. Almost in my hand. Alright? Yeah man. Okay, my viewers, I'm inside here now. Alright. This is where I put my ginger to sprout and my turmeric. But these ginger was put here lately, so don't start it to sprout as yet. Alright? I have to check back on next week to see if them started to sprout. So as soon as them started to sprout, yeah, find somewhere to plant them. Alright? So yeah, my viewers, think we're going to get some water, you know, because it was drilling a while ago. So at the little gutter here, the zinc here, I set some pan here to get some water. I have two drum over here where I catch rainwater to water the plants in. This one having water. Alright? Yeah, this one water is very low. So looking forward for the rain to fall. Yeah. I have a cane top inside here to plant very soon. This is the root of the chocho. That is the root of the chocho. Alright, this is some mint here. Yeah. This is some mint here. What would call it? Thick mint? Something like that. I have a next one here. Call this one pot basil. Something like that. Yeah, so when you get a little piece of mint, you know, you'll find somewhere to plant it. Alright. The left man cocoa. Them cocoa here soon can dig, you know. Yeah man, them soon can dig. Every 3 months I dig them, you know. But when I dig them this time, I'm not going to plant them back here. Because I'm going to have some little space over there where I can plant them. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know. Over this side here, like oh, this part here is very near to the house. Don't want to plant any cocoa or any banana or planting nearby. You understand? Yeah, so here I'm gonna have some tomato here, pepper and okra, you know, most easily to pick. Yeah, so that is what going on in the backyard garden right now. Yeah, I have a next lime tree over here and a next lime plant into a pan over here. Yeah, this one soon can go into the earth, transplant it into the earth. Yeah, and I have a next one beside the one here in the bucket. I have a next one here. Yeah, it's all about lime, you know. So yes, my viewers, can soon start to bear, you know. Can soon start to bear. It's very tall, but not. Don't put out any corn as yet. Can't wait to see it put out a corn, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I should have at least 10 root of this corn, but never have the space. Yeah? So yes, my viewers, plant something. Cut something at the window side. Let me show you. My kitchen window. Yeah. Cut something at the kitchen window, man. It is very easy and simple. Back it up from the animals, them, you know? Yeah. Plant something, man. I have a small tomato tree here. Very small, so I need to mold it. Yeah. For it to come. Alright, my viewers. Don't forget to like, share, to subscribe to the channel. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to click the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? Yeah, my people. It's all about plant something. My name is Ever Slick. I'm gonna be out for now. Peace and love.